Somewhere in the southern sky, there's a star you can find with a cheap pair of binoculars. It looks ordinary. It isn't. Astronomers pointed a telescope at it and did the math twice, because the math said this star is older than the universe it lives in. Its name is HD 140283. Most people call it the Methuselah Star. It sits about 190 light years from Earth, close enough to touch in cosmic terms, close enough that its light left before you were born, long before. For decades, it looked like nothing special, a faint, aging star drifting through our galactic neighborhood. Then someone calculated its age, and the number didn't make sense. Not surprising, not unusual, impossible. Here's how you age a star. You measure its brightness, you measure its mass, you measure the chemicals burning inside it. Stars are basically clocks. Burn rate tells you how long they've been ticking. Astronomers ran those numbers on the Methuselah Star. The answer came back, 16 billion years old. Say that number slowly, 16 billion. Now here's the problem. The universe itself is 13.8 billion years old. That's not a rounding error. That's a star claiming to be 2 billion years older than time itself, older than the thing that supposedly made it. Like finding a child whose birth certificate predates their parents. For a while, nobody knew what to do with that, because if the number was right, something was very wrong. Either our star aging math was broken, or our universe aging math was broken, or, and this is the version that kept some astronomers up at night, the Big Bang timeline itself needed to be rewritten. Headlines picked it up fast. The star older than the universe. It sounded like a glitch in reality. A star that existed before existence had a start button. But the truth, once they dug into it, was stranger than a glitch. It was a ghost story with a scientific explanation. Here's the clue that mattered. The Methuselah Star is almost pure hydrogen and helium. Almost no heavier elements, almost no metal in the language astronomers use. That matters because metal in stars comes from other stars. Every heavy element, carbon, iron, oxygen, was forged inside a star that lived, died, and exploded first. A star with barely any metal has barely any ancestors. It means this star formed almost at the very beginning, not billions of years into the universe's life, near the start of it, one of the first generation of stars ever to ignite in the dark. So, the age wasn't insane. The star really was ancient. The question was just, how ancient exactly? In 2013, astronomers went back with better tools. The Hubble Space Telescope remeasured the star's distance using something called parallax, the same trick your eyes use to judge how far away something is. More precise distance, more precise brightness, more precise age. The new number came back, 14.5 billion years, give or take 800 million years of margin, which means at the low end of that margin, the star could be exactly as old as the universe, not older, just there from the very first moments light existed at all. The paradox didn't break physics, it closed, just barely, just at the edge of the error bars. But here's the part that should still unsettle you. That margin of error is razor thin. This star was born in the earliest chapter of the universe's story, possibly within the first few 100 million years after the Big Bang. It has been burning quietly for almost the entire history of everything. It was already ancient when our sun was still cosmic dust. It watched the first galaxies assemble themselves out of nothing. It has outlived stars, solar systems, entire eras of the universe that left no other trace. And right now, tonight, its light is hitting a pair of binoculars in someone's backyard, a living fossil hiding in plain sight in the night sky. The Methuselah Star was never really a paradox. It was a witness, one of the last living things from the universe's infancy, still burning, still visible, still here. The takeaway is this: sometimes the universe doesn't need to break the rules to terrify you. It just needs to show you something that's been watching since before the rules existed.